Hey, what's going on? This is Alex from LR Tech, and today I'll show you how to replace the purge valve on Ford Mustang 2.3 EcoBoost. If you have rough idle or you have misfiring and codes for the purge valve, I definitely recommend replacing this one. It's a pretty simple job. It will take maybe 5 minutes or so. Let's proceed. First of all, we have to remove the engine cover. It's held by two 8mm bolts and two 10mm nuts, so let's do it. Okay. Put it aside. Next step is to disconnect the connector. You just simply push it and slide it out. Next thing would be this connector. You have to take off the clip, just completely remove it, and push the clip from this side. So just simply push it and lift it. You have to move those pins towards the end of the car, and then slide it out. That's how you do it. We just need to remove this 10mm bolt right now, and we are pretty much done. Let's start with this side first. So you just put it back all the way, and after that you can slide the green pin back. Yep, secured. Let's do this side. So you just put it down and push it back. That's it. Put the connector back in place, and the last one would be 10mm bolt. Install the cover. Hope this information was helpful. It literally took us about like 5 minutes, so it's pretty simple job. If it was helpful, please thumbs up, subscribe for my channel, and see you next time.